It's lovely to be here in UL at this launch.
So we're here today for the launch of the Master of Professional Practice, reflecting the needs of people in work who want to upskill, who want to upgrade in their careers. And I think what's interesting is normally we talk about pedagogies of transitioning into university, through university and out of university. What this is doing is actually reversing the trend. It's coming from the outside and coming in to university, seeing how industry needs can be catered for in a university environment.
And our HCI funding has been a real game changer.
The Masters today is really a prime example of how industry engaged with the higher education institution in UL to deliver something that's agile and that's responsive to the needs of the learner and enterprise. And it's fantastic to see that a learner can be at the centre of this programme to determine their own lifelong learning pathways.
From companies sitting here is that we have a great talent pool and we are resilient.
This Masters is really important for industry because it allows us to have flexibility with our staff so they can upskill while working. And that's hugely important for us as we grow in complexity and how to retain our staff and still build a business in the right way.
And what's really great about the Stackable Masters is that people are pivoting within their careers, within organisations.
Then you're offering something that maybe the next person isn't or the next company isn't.
It just gives so much opportunity to be able to piece that. So fair play to you well for taking on that.